I dream of peace. In this dream of peace, of a beautiful place where everyone values life and togetherness, there is a sense of unity that transcends all boundaries. It is a place where no one hurts each other, where hearts and minds are connected in a web of understanding and compassion. In this place, there is no need to hide from one another, for each person is reliable, accountable, happy, honest, and abundant in spirit. There is no suffering from hunger, cold, unfairness, or neglect in this place. Everyone has a meal to enjoy, a place to live comfortably, and a sense of fulfillment that knows no bounds. In this place, everyone is served equally, with high integrity, care, and love. There is no room for discrimination or inequality, only a deep sense of respect for each individual's unique worth. In this place, everyone looks forward to the new day with a sense of hope and excitement. There is no fear or anxiety, only a sense of peace and tranquility that permeates every corner of this utopian world. Cooperation reigns supreme, as individuals work together towards common goals, free from the shackles of competition and greed. Intelligence grows in this place, nurtured by a society that values knowledge and wisdom above all else. There is no room for fear or ignorance, only a deep sense of understanding and enlightenment that guides every decision and action. In this place, there is no room for violence or conflict. Individuals do not engage in battles that cause harm to one another, but instead seek peaceful solutions to their differences. There is no terror, no suffering, only a sense of harmony and unity that binds all together in a common purpose. This place is free from suffering, poverty, corruption, discrimination, segregation, confusion, deceit, and mass manipulation. It is a world where truth is valued above all else, where authenticity and honesty are the cornerstones of society. In this place, education is not only valued, but accessible to all. Knowledge is seen as a tool for empowerment and enlightenment, a means to build a better future for all. Families are cherished, children are welcomed with open arms, and neighbors are treated like extended family. In this place, Africa thrives with prosperity, and individuals from diverse faiths come together to build a religion based on love and understanding. Life is seen as a precious gift, worth living to its fullest potential. We are all building the future now, shaping the world that we want to live in. It is up to us to choose whether that future is one of darkness or light, of fear or love. Those who cherish life are the ones who will lead us towards a brighter tomorrow, a world free of hate, control, and indifference. And as for the dollar sign, it is but a symbol, a tool that can be used for good or for ill. It is up to us to decide how we will wield that power, whether we will use it to enslave or to liberate, to oppress or to uplift. The choice is ours, and the future is in our hands.